How often as you travel and explore do you feel that a city just passes you by? That you're curious and want to know a little bit more about the magnificent landmarks or beautiful buildings like the one behind me here, but that information is just not very easily accessible? You've got to go take out your phone and search through Wikipedia and find a dull, boring article and read it, or take a guided tour. Now with DropzApp, as you walk by the building, the audio will play to you, telling you all about the story, the history, the culture of the buildings and the landmarks as you pass them by. Now you can also use this open platform to record your thoughts about the interesting places you found on your travels, to share with your friends and followers as they shop and explore.